Good morning, you guys. I wanted to touch base with you really quickly before the weekend. I hope you've had a good week. I know we are on holiday break right now, so for those who celebrate, happy Passover, happy Easter. I wanted to update you on the revision policy. I had a couple of people email me asking about revision grades and how they work, and I realized that I probably didn't explain it very well. So, you will get a 100 if you submitted your revision for the annotated bibliography. You will get up to 10 extra points on your original annotated bibliography grade for the revisions that you made. So for right now in Grade Center, you should see a column that says Annotated Bibliography Revision. And in that column, you'll see a grade that should be up to 10 points more than what you scored originally. Or you'll see a 0 if you did not turn anything in for the revision. That's a placeholder for right now. So when I go back and put in the grades correctly, then like when I start to calculate everything, then you'll see 100 go in that revision column if you completed it, and then you'll see your original annotated bibliography grade go up by a maximum of 10 points depending on your revisions and how well you did. So I hope that makes sense. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're safe. I hope you're staying home if you possibly can. I only heard back from one person about wanting to get in touch. So next week is perfectly available for me to get in touch with you if you'd like to talk, if there's anything that I can help you do, if you've got questions about registration or advising or anything that you can think of. Please let me know. I'm happy to talk you through it. Next week, we will start working on revising the rhetorical analysis. So I will have a video message for you guys Monday morning. So I hope you have a great weekend. Take care of yourselves. Be safe. And I'll talk to you soon.